Royalty loved it, Bologna is protecting it, yet the world has never heard of it. Zuppa Imperiale, or imperial soup. This is going to be the next addition to your list of quick and delicious dishes perfect for chilly weekdays. What's more is that it comes with a mysterious backstory and is one of the 34 dishes protected by the Bologna Chamber of Commerce, solidifying its status as a quintessential Bolognese classic. It's got all the makings of a culinary hit. Delicious, comforting, boasting quality ingredients, and is a breeze to prepare. Yet strangely, it remains overlooked in Bologna's many restaurants. To find out why, I decided to do a little research and cook it myself. I'll also recommend a really nice little trattoria in Bologna that makes a very good version of this dish. So join me on this quick culinary adventure, and by the end you're gonna have a new recipe to warm and delight yourself and the ones you love. No royal kitchen required. It's served immersed in a flavorful hot broth traditionally crafted from meat and preferably with a good chicken. What makes this dish great is the pasta cubes made from eggs and semolina and parmigiano. Now this Zuppa Imperiale might actually have Austrian roots. It resembles a lot the classic Grießknockelsuppe, consisting of semolina dumplings in a broth, but without the parmigiano. Legend has it this Austrian recipe was brought over to Emilia-Romagna by the Duchess of Parma, Maria Luisa, who was also the wife of no less than Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte. So maybe he actually ate the dish we're about to make together. Another theory suggests that the imperial title actually comes from the rich and expensive ingredients which were fit for a king back then. Naturally, such a cherished dish found its way into the renowned Pellegrino Artusi's seminal work La scienza in cucina e l'arte di mangiare bene, which is more or less the Old Testament when it comes to the world of Italian cuisine. In this tome, we encounter a very similar, let's say, precursor to the preparation as composed semolina soup. The main distinction between this and the imperial soup lies in the method of solidification. While the former uses a pan, the latter, the one we're making today, is baked in the oven. If you're vegetarian, make it with vegetable broth, while others replace the semolina with breadcrumbs or incorporate mortadella pieces for added flavor. I mean, look at this beautiful Zuppa Imperiale. I mean, you have to really look at it from a peasant's perspective, with a bit of broth that you made from whatever meat you have left, and a precious piece of parmigiano that you've stretched out with some semolina and eggs. All of a sudden, you're feeding a family of 6 or 12 or 18. Like an emperor.
A me dammene tanta, mamma, eh?
Te ne do quella che ti spetta a te.
So I would say embrace the imperial title. It's a simple process with simple ingredients. Make it for your next Sunday gathering, special event, or quiet winter night. Now, if you're ever in Bologna, I would recommend going to Osteria Buca Manzoni to try their Zuppa Imperiale. It's a cozy little place. Just make sure to reserve in advance, as it can get a little busy in the summer. I think therein we have found the solution to our little mystery. People go to Bologna in the summer and they want pompous dishes like lasagna or ragu or tortellini. And this one is appreciated by locals in the off-season, when they want to warm up. That being said, I think it absolutely deserves its place among the 34 protected dishes in the Bologna Chamber of Commerce. That makes me think, next time we should pay the Bologna Chamber of Commerce a little visit and find out what the deal is with all these official recipes. you can join me on that quest whenever it comes out. In the meantime, I'm just getting started with this channel, and I really hope this video was useful to you. Let me know. See you next time.